There it goes, Regan Boyer. First time on a snowmobile. Let's see it, baby. Go! See if she can make the turn. Can she do it? She do it. Many have hit a tree right in that area or a fence. Oh, she does it. Look out for the fireplace. There she goes. Picking up speed. Woohoo! Woohoo! Go again, go again. Oh, she's got it. She's got it. By George, she's got it.
This is in the bag.
It's the natural. It's that Michigan blood.
Oh, she didn't even have to stop.
It's starting to get, because there's no snow, it's not getting very good, too much friction.
Guys!
Almost took out the dog. Awesome.